Hello guys, my name is Justin and today I will show you how to replace your trunk lid handle on your BMW E46. As you can see, the reason I decided to replace mine is because the connectors where the light bulbs for the number plate lighting should go are all corroded, they're all bent up, and I just didn't want to mess with them and decided to replace the whole handle. So I bought this brand new handle from Allegro, which is like a Polish AliExpress, for 50 euros with shipping. It looks awesome, it already has the bulbs installed and it's just like OEM. So to remove the handle you need to remove these 4 screws on the outside. And to remove them I used a T10 screwdriver just like this one. The tip is almost like a star shaped, so this is the one you need to use, and just simply unscrew all 4 of those screws. When you unscrew them, take them out and don't lose them because they will be reused. Now as you can see, when I tried to take out the handle it doesn't move. That's because it's still connected to the car, and to disconnect it you need to remove the inside of this trunk. So to do that I just used a cheap trim plastic removal tool, and what I did is I just put it into the plastic clips and just kinda wiggle them out gently, try not to break them. And you only need to remove the top part because then you can bend the material. It's not worth it to remove the whole thing. Then when you remove the top part, as you can see, this is the wire right here in that white plastic bracket. So you need to disconnect it just like this. It's very simple, and when you do that you can pull the entire handle out. It is not shown in the video, but the handle has like a plastic bit just like this where you can see right now, and you need a little bit of strength and wiggling to get it out. But when you do that the wire just pulls right out and the whole entire handle assembly is out as well. And as you can see, I found some unwanted rust, which is not good news. It left me very disappointed, but oh well, you know, it's a car that's almost over 20 years old. Now, before I have the chance, a quick clean, because I will not get the chance to do that again in the nearby future, so might as well do it right now, get rid of all the dirt that was there. Now installing the handle is pretty much the same as removing it, just a reverse process. First of all, make sure that you're installing it right side up. Then what you need to do is feed the handle wire through that hole right there. There's another one inside that's a little bit upwards, so you need to feed it through there, and then the wire will be inside of the trunk. It sounds difficult, but it's very easy to do because the gap is pretty big, so the wire just slides right in. And here you can see the brand new wire just hanging there. Then snap in the handle into place. Use a little bit of force, but try not to break it, and then when it snaps, it's in. So now you can go and connect the wire. The wire itself is a 3-pin wire and it only connects one way, so you won't mess this up. Then when you connect it, just slide it back into the white plastic bracket. Then check if the handle is working. As you can hear, it is working perfectly. When everything checks out, you can begin assembling everything back in. So for the trunk, just put in the plastic clips, make sure that the first part is in, and then just push the top part just like a button. Make sure you don't break it or don't get it stuck. And then with the handle, just hold it in place by hand and screw back the original screws in. As you can see, it fits in just like the original one. Now, when everything is assembled, we can test it out, and as you can see, the handle works perfectly. It feels just like OEM. The only thing is that it's not painted, so I need to get it painted, but yeah, it works perfectly. The trunk opens and closes perfectly, everything works fine. Another thing to test is the number plate lights, because that was one of the reasons why I decided to replace this handle, and as you can see, everything is working fine. All of the lights light up, everything looks awesome and perfect. Really happy with this quality that I got. And yeah, that will be it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it and if it was helpful, make sure you leave a like. Also subscribe to my channel for more E46 related videos. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. And thank you very much for watching. Until next time.